Alright guys, today we're going to be reviewing a handheld cooling fan. Here's what comes in the box. We got a manual showing you everything you need to know, what button do and how to use it. We have a charger, USB-A to USB-C, and a lanyard to hang it from your neck. And then we got the fan. This is how it looks. It's pretty cool and stylish. It's an LED in the front, tell you what the speed is. It has 5 speeds. You can see it's pretty compact. It has the LCD right here, so you can see it right here. What speed are you on? It's light. It has a latch here that you pull out, and you can use it as a stand. I don't know if you can see it here. You can use it as a stand, or you want to hang it to your belt. Loops has that, so you can put it and hang it anywhere on a fence or in your backpack if you're going camping. And then the head is foldable, so you can just lay it down and have it blow cool air. And then here on the sides, it has where you can put the lanyard. You just run this through there and tie it up, and then you can make it bigger, longer, and then you can make it shorter, however you want it. So definitely very convenient. Now the summer is coming. Like I say, it has 5 speeds. So you press it and you can see some 2, 3, 4, and this is the highest 5. This is how it is. You can tell there it says 100% battery. Has a 5,000 milliamp battery. The spin rate is 1300 RPM. So it's very convenient to have if you go camping or you're outdoor all the time in the game. I got kids that play baseball and softball, so it's very convenient for those hot days in the park. So 5,000 milliamp. I'm pretty sure if you use it in a 3 speed, it will last you a whole day with a 5,000 milliamp. Rechargeable, so you can recharge it. If you have a battery pack, you can recharge it while you use it. So definitely a great price, a great fan to have. Now that summer is coming, it's gonna get hot. This is the one. Okay, go get yours. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.